got a message on my answering machine at work this morning about a guy down in Glide, Oregon. Never heard of it. He says it's an all original numbers matching 70 Challenger RT, and we're getting pulled over by an officer of the law. So I'm 10 minutes away from this guy's house with the Challenger. Look in my mirror and there's a cop. Lights on, he's gone. Must have been sped.
Between 81 and 79.
Well, the truth or a lie? The truth is great.
Well, either way, you're getting a ticket.
I understand that.
Okay,
I understand that.
You're not even close to the speed. You know, and I've been following you for a while.
What is this?
55 or less, depending on condition.
We're doing 80?
81 is $287.
Luckily, he let me off with just a speeding ticket. I was very fortunate. Because in reality, I was watching television. I might have been texting. Well, I'm taking the $257 fine, except that speed control, off of my offer on the 1970 Dodge Challenger 383 automatic JS23 NOG car. Glide, Oregon. What is a Glide, Oregon? I don't like little towns. I know what happens in them. And whatever does happen in them never leaves that little town. Stephen King writes about it all the time. Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.